Ooh, should I read the dialogue? I always think it's kind of cringy when streamers read the dialogue. All men shall kneel before me. All shall hail me, Sasstar, as their new master. How did you get in here, you sewer rat? And take that. Ryu. Ooh, that's an interesting scene right there. Ooh. I find it hard to believe that a weakling like you was able to defeat Jack Wayo. See how the sword of chaos trembles with delight? Ooh. Foolish ninja, I'll show you just how powerless you really are.